Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find a toggle for screen recording. So there it is for me on the second page. So before you actually tap on it, you can hold it and this will take us to the settings where we can customize a couple things. So we have number one, sound. So we can play sound either from media sound or media sound and microphone. Now it's kind of odd that there is no microphone standalone without the media sound, but oh well, I'm not actually complaining here because I really like the fact that they included both of them. Now when using both of them, I would strongly advise you to use headphones, otherwise the phone will be picking up whatever you're saying and whatever the device itself is making noise, and it will be picked up by a microphone, so it will create this undesirable echo. Then have video quality. I would keep it at the highest. You can drop it to 720p if you're struggling with storage, but I would still suggest you to keep it at 1080p. And then at the bottom we have a selfie video size, so this is an actual size of it that it's going to be visible on the screen and therefore also on the recording, so you can select the size that you want. You can also change it around. By default I don't think it's enabled, so you can set it up and kind of not use it anyway. So set it up whatever you want, and from there we can basically leave it and then go back to the notification panel, and from here tap on a toggle. Let's allow whatever it requires. It brings up again the sound settings, so I'm just gonna keep it as it is and start recording. So as you can see right now, it's already recording. You can, well, not really, there we go. Now you can see the countdown, or count how long it's been recording. Besides that, you also have a couple different functions, so you can start kind of drawing on here. This will be visible in the recording, and also enable the camera, as you can see. So that is basically the camera right here, and you can move it around as well, so you're not locked. And you can also disable it, and also whatever you will be doing obviously is being recorded. Now once you're done with it, you simply either tap on the pause, so this will pause it for now, and you can resume it by, I don't know, opening some application, getting into whatever, for instance a game, letting it load, and then once you're ready to resume, you just tap on the circle, red one again, and it continues to record. And then once you're actually done with recording, tap on the square right here, and this will automatically save it, and you can find it in your gallery. So let's go back into folder and go to recording. Now I am in albums, and here we have screen recording, and you can see the recording from here. So as you can see, it was kind of slow, but that is basically the recording that I have made. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.